are now in the northern Gaza Strip, at the Haifa Charity Medical Hospital, which used to receive approximately or more than 100,000 cases annually and was destroyed during the ground invasion of the northern Gaza Strip. Affected areas was the surgical department, which sustained damage during the invasion of the city of Gaza. The hospital had adopted a solar energy system and ambulance services, and the surgical department was one of the most important areas that were destroyed, as it provided services to the residents of the city of Gaza and northern Gaza. We call on charitable and international organizations to contribute to the restoration and maintenance of the hospital, especially the surgical department.
We were able to restore the operating floor at Haifa Hospital and bring it back into service to help many patients and people in Gaza City.